Gulls are those seagull-like birds you've probably seen soaring over beaches or perched on a post near the water. You know, the ones fluffy white bodies, gray wings, and their loud, almost cheerful calls that seem to echo across coastal landscapes. While they may not always have the best reputation thanks to their habit of stealing food, gulls are actually incredibly interesting creatures with a whole lot of personality. Let's take a deeper look into the world of these fascinating birds. First off, gulls belong to the Laridae family, which includes over 50 species. They're often found near coastlines, lakes, and rivers, but they can also live in inland areas, especially if there's a nearby food source. Despite their association with the ocean, gulls are very adaptable. They can thrive in both rural and urban settings. In fact, in cities, you'll often see gulls hanging around parks, dumpsters, and rooftops. They've learned to take advantage of human food scraps, which makes them quite the opportunists. One of the coolest things about gulls is their impressive flying skills. Gulls are expert flyers, capable of soaring for long distances without flapping their wings much. This effortless flight is made possible by their long, slender wings and strong muscles. Gulls also have an impressive sense of direction. They can navigate across vast distances over the ocean and always seem to know where the food is. Some species of gulls are migratory, flying thousands of miles to warmer climates during the winter, while others remain year-round, adapting to the changing seasons. Another interesting thing about gulls is their social behavior. Unlike some birds that prefer solitude, gulls are social creatures that tend to gather in large groups called colonies. These colonies can be massive, sometimes consisting of thousands of birds. In these groups, gulls often form social hierarchies, with dominant birds taking the best spots for feeding or nesting. Despite their sometimes rowdy behavior, gulls are very protective of their young and will fiercely defend their nests from predators. Gulls are also known for their impressive intelligence. They are highly adaptable and resourceful when it comes to finding food. They will scavenge from human trash bins, raid fishing boats for leftovers, and even work together to catch prey. Gulls have been observed using tools, such as dropping shellfish onto rocks to crack them open. They also have a pretty varied diet, eating everything from fish and insects to scraps from picnics. They've figured out how to thrive in environments where other birds might struggle, thanks to their ability to exploit the wide range of food sources.